Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Playtex Gloves Small is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any household, offering a crucial layer of protection for your hands during a myriad of chores, from scrubbing dishes to tackling tough cleaning tasks. These gloves are designed to provide a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring dexterity and preventing irritation, making them an indispensable tool for anyone who wants to keep their hands safe and clean while maintaining efficiency in their daily routines. Number 5. Inspire Black Nitrile Gloves Heavy Duty. Introducing our heavy-duty nitrile gloves. Engineered for superior protection, they offer exceptional durability for the toughest tasks. These gloves provide robust resistance against a wide range of chemicals. Feel confident knowing you're protected during demanding applications. Perfect for medical, cooking, and cleaning, these gloves adapt to your needs. Their disposable design ensures convenience and hygiene. Experience a snug yet comfortable fit that allows for dexterity. The 6mm thickness ensures reliable performance without sacrificing feel. The sleek black color offers a professional look suitable for any environment. They provide reliable barrier protection you can count on. What we like? These are built for tough jobs. They offer superior chemical resistance, making them ideal for demanding tasks. If you need maximum protection against harsh chemicals and want a durable glove for heavy-duty cleaning or industrial use, these are the ones to choose. What people say. The gloves are durable and have a good grip. They fit well and are comfortable to wear for extended periods. The material is thick enough to protect hands from harsh chemicals. Number 4. Playtex Living Reusable Cleaning Gloves, 4-pack. Introducing Playtex Living Reusable Cleaning Gloves. Designed for durability, these gloves are built to last through countless cleaning tasks. Experience a comfortable and secure fit with every use. They are designed to make your chores easier and more pleasant. Keep your hands safe from harsh chemicals and dirt. These gloves provide a reliable barrier for all your cleaning needs. From scrubbing dishes to deep cleaning your home, these are perfect for any task. They offer protection and convenience. Get a pack of 4 for extended use. You'll always have a pair ready when you need them for household chores. What we like? Get long-lasting value with this reusable option. The pack of 4 ensures you always have a pair ready. If you're looking for an economical and eco-friendly choice for general household cleaning and want the convenience of multiple pairs, this is a great pick. What people say. The gloves are durable and hold up well to tough cleaning tasks. They fit snugly and provide good dexterity for handling small items. The textured grip on the fingers helps prevent slipping, even when wet. Number 3. Playtex Living Reusable Rubber Cleaning Gloves. Introducing Playtex Living Reusable Rubber Cleaning Gloves. Designed for premium protection, these gloves are built to last through all your cleaning tasks. These household gloves are reusable, offering a sustainable solution for your cleaning needs. They provide a barrier against dirt and grime. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit with these small-sized gloves. They are made from premium rubber for a reliable grip. Whether you're washing dishes, scrubbing bathrooms, or tackling other chores, these gloves are your perfect cleaning companion. With 3 pairs included, you get great value and long-lasting protection for your hands. Keep them clean and ready for your next use. What we like? Experience enhanced comfort and protection with these premium reusable gloves. The contoured design ensures a snug and comfortable fit for better dexterity. If you prioritize a comfortable, high-quality reusable glove for various household chores and appreciate a better fit, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The gloves are durable and hold up well to tough cleaning tasks. They fit snugly and provide good dexterity for handling small items. The textured grip on the fingers helps prevent slipping, even when wet. Number 2. Playtex Living Reusable Rubber Cleaning Gloves. Introducing Playtex Living Reusable Rubber Cleaning Gloves. They offer premium protection for your household tasks, keeping your hands safe and clean. These gloves are designed for repeated use, making them an economical and eco-friendly choice. Enjoy long-lasting durability for all your cleaning needs. Experience a comfortable fit with these small-sized gloves. They are crafted to provide flexibility and ease of movement while you work. From washing dishes to scrubbing bathrooms, these gloves are perfect for a wide range of household chores. They provide a reliable barrier against dirt and grime. Get premium protection with everyday convenience. These reusable household gloves are a must-have for any home. Each package includes 2 pairs of gloves, ensuring you always have a clean pair ready when you need them. Keep your hands protected and comfortable. What we like. These offer premium protection for everyday tasks. The pack of 2 provides a good balance of convenience and value. If you need reliable, reusable gloves for general cleaning and prefer a smaller quantity for less frequent use or to save space, this option is perfect for you. What people say. The gloves are durable and hold up well during tough cleaning tasks. They fit snugly and provide good dexterity for handling small items. The textured grip on the fingers helps prevent items from slipping. Number 1. Playtex HandSaver Reusable Rubber Cleaning Gloves. Introducing the Playtex HandSaver Gloves, your ultimate solution for everyday household tasks. These reusable gloves offer reliable protection for your hands. Designed with your comfort in mind, they feature a contoured shape for a perfect fit. Enjoy a snug and secure feel every time you wear them. Our gloves are made with ultra-fresh antimicrobial protection. This helps to guard against mold and mildew, keeping them fresh and hygienic. Experience effortless wear with the soft cotton lining. It makes putting them on and taking them off a breeze, ensuring maximum comfort. We've enhanced the durability by adding nitrile to our latex neoprene formula. This makes them tougher and longer lasting for all your cleaning needs. Get great value with this pack, which includes 3 pairs of gloves. You'll have plenty of protection for all your household chores. What we like. Enjoy lasting freshness and easy wear with these reusable gloves. The antimicrobial protection keeps them hygienic, and the cotton lining makes them comfortable to put on and take off. If you're concerned about odor and mildew, and want a glove that's easy to use for extended periods, these are the ideal choice for you. What people say. These gloves are great for cleaning and dishwashing. They fit well and are very durable. The textured grip helps with handling slippery items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.